All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to the live stream. Today is 23rd of September 2025 and we are just gonna break down the chart of gold. So let's just get started. Voice test 1 to 3. Can you guys hear me clearly? Sound check 1 to 3 1 to 3. All right, so everything just like perfectly fine right now. So let's just break down the chart from the daily time frame. So daily time frame actually right now, the previous look at the previous daily time frame just like clearly showing a very strong bullish momentum, and on a higher time frame it's just like a very strongly bullish. So let's just like I'm just like taking right now the daily high and low. So I just need to go through from daily to h4. Look at this one. If this current candle break above the previous h4 candle, there's a very high probability we're just gonna move with a $5 increment. So we'll see. We just need some kind of confirmation on the lower time frame. It's like a h4, so we just need to flip from h4 to h1, 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 h1. H1, you can see we're just having like a support here, and at the same time we're just having like a resistance on the top. So let's just go from h1 to m30. Let's jump towards like m30. M30, wow, look at this one. It was like a very perfect execution, impulse entry, very beautiful 70 pip range. So I think so we're just like creating some kind of resistance here. These are the rejection we are having on the left hand side. Buys only make sense if we just like create some kind of support, and with the confirmation we can go for the buys, or if we just like break above this area, these rejection wicks on the left hand side. So there's a very high probability if we just like breaking above like 3760, we're gonna hit like 3760. We just gonna hit like 3765. So let's see what kind of structure is going to be printed there. So right now on a 50-minute time frame, we are just doing consolidation right now. You can see it here. We are having like a support, having a having like a resistance. So I'm just like taking this current support area here. If we just like go some kind of candle which is close below the support area, we're just having like this clean traffic on the left hand side. It's just like doing consolidation on the lower time frame or 50-minute time frame actually. So let's just need to wait here. All I just like need to do, I just like need to wait here. Here we are having like a resistance area. Gold just like a very strong bullish momentum on a higher time frame actually, just like continuously pushing upside, almost like every day, just like making new highs. Here we go. So we're just having like a support here, and we're just having like a resistance here. So let's wait and see what kind of confirmation we're just gonna get there. So then I will just gonna give my trade a chance. That actually makes sense. All right, just let me do some uh, all right, here we go. Okay, let's just look at the YouTube chat. Good morning, walaikum salam. So everything just like fine. We have a red folder news in 1 hour. Should we not avoid to trade red folder in 1 hour? Which one? Is it belongs to euro, bro? Just don't have any impact with the gold actually. So no need to worry about that one. Walaikum salam. Okay, got lots of opportunity this month. Yeah, like got just like creating a support, giving some kind of strong confirmation, then it's just like continuously pushing to the upside. So I would say these days bias, taking keeping your bias like I would say for like a bullish bias, it just like totally makes sense. If you just like not comfortable with the sells, wait for the candle to create some kind of support. If it's just like giving you some kind of confirmation candle, just go with the buys. Buyers are just like more working these days actually. So let's see. I'm just waiting right now. We're just having like a plan with us. We are just like doing consolidation. There's just like 3 minutes left for this 50-minute candle to close, and with the opening of with the opening of London actually, if we just like break above this resistance area, like rejections on the left hand side, and you just need to understand this thing. This is something I like I just like teach as well. If we break above this rejection with the opening of London session, so it's gonna break above the high of the previous H4. It's just gonna break above the high of the previous H1, M30, M15. It's just like gonna break all the time frame together with the opening of London session. So by depending on the volume, there's a very high probability if we just like go some kind of confirmation candle, or we just like go some kind of impulse entry with the opening of London, we're just gonna grab some things there. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So just waiting. There's just like 2 minutes left for the 50-minute candle to close. So we'll see. Would you consider a fake out if 30-minute close like this? No, it's just like not any kind of fake outs is going to be happen. It's just like creating a higher low, and new high just like created right now. So might be just like come back, create some support, and retest the high again. So yeah. Okay, did you trade today? I think so. I just like took one trade during the Asian session. I just never do Asian to be honest. So yeah, this one here I just like executed one buy. As this candle just like break and close above this rejection on the left hand side, I executed with the opening of candle. Then I just saw that market just like not showing me volume. I just closed the trade, and look at this. What happened next? The next candle just like create a wick and continuously pushing downside. Then next candle create a wick and break above the high again. Here I just like give my trade another chance. Grab like 23-30 pips, something like that. I remember I just like close 50% position, 90% position here, and leave the rest, and leave I just like the rest I have just like closed at 40 pips. So this is something I just like grab during the Asian session while playing on my mobile phone because I just never do Asian session. So just like a small account I'm just having with me right now. So sometime I just like use this account for the experiments. Okay, so let's just like get back to the work. So 50 minutes just about to be closed in few seconds. Let's see. Look at this one. This 50 minutes just like breaking the low here. But if it's just like close back into the range, then there's just like no sells for me. Look at this one. What a rejection. It just rejected from this support area, just like still holding the support area. Look at this one. It's just like close within the range, because the minor difference from the support area I will never consider is that it's just like a confirmation candle. It's not kind of a confirmation candle. This kind of difference could be happen on any brokerage house due to their spreads. So it's just like lows within the range, no confirmation there yet. We're just like doing consolidation. You know what, there's like a very high probability which is like break above this high with the opening of London session. We're just gonna grab something there. Okay bro, ये कौन सा account है ECN Pro? On which one? This is ECN Pro. ECN Pro is actually started with the $20,000 deposit. So it's a ECN actually. It's a ACN. It's also having like a low spreads. So like it's like a great thing, great one. Okay, can we take after the candle go down with volume? No, we just like doing consolidation. I'm like eagerly waiting for the buyers to be honest. Like we just like doing consolidation. If we just like break above this high with the opening of London session, very high probability we're just gonna grab some chunks here. We'll see. In London session, I noticed many people taking buys that look risky to me. I wait for 30-minute confirmation, so I often miss trades. But if I try to make those risky entries, I lose discipline and take losses. Do I lack knowledge, or should I just stay patient? You just like need to understand where you just like need to depend on the volume. Sometimes we just like need to depend on the volume for the impulse entry. Impulse entry always connected with the volume actually. So if this is like a volume, you are just having like a opportunity there, and you're just like getting scared, just load the load size, but be a part of your plan. Don't miss the trade actually. Just load the load size and be a part of that plan. Okay, guess what about the giveaway that you know? Okay, so giveaway just gonna be happen like this. On the first 100k likes, I'm just gonna give 125k Dominion funding account. If I just go like 200 likes, I'm just gonna give the second 25k Dominion funding account. If I just gonna get like a 300 likes, I'm just gonna give like third 25k Dominion funding account. This is what is gonna happen here. We'll see. So Zoom and YouTube actually, you just like need to like the live stream on my YouTube. And at the end, I just like gonna tell you guys, just you just like will have like 2 to 3 minutes to write down your Instagram ID in the comment section of live stream. So I will just going to be choose random winner from them. So let's see who's just gonna win the account today actually. Okay, bro, $12,500 का ज़्यादा अकाउंट कर दो गिविंग अवे कैसे? ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट? ज़्यादा अकाउंट क्या कर दूँ यार? So 50 likes till right now. There's just like more than 100 people just watching, and I'm just having like a 50 likes. If it just like hit the first 100 likes, so one Dominion funding 25k giveaway account will be activated for the public. You guys don't need to write down your Instagram ID right now. Just relax, chill. When I will tell you, then just go with that one. Love your analysis and patience for the trade. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Just waiting. Okay. Who grab more pips? They will get 25k. Okay. On YouTube, Raja's no, on my YouTube right now. Last day, you know what? If Raja bro just going to be get like a six more than like 1k actually. Yeah, thousand likes. Like if he's just like going to be get like 1,000 likes on his live stream, so we're just gonna give away 25k 3 funded account. But that just like never happened. So the new thing just like today, right now we're just having like 67 likes very quickly. I think it's just gonna be hit the first 25k funded account. So look at this one, it's just like rejecting right now. All I just need to see, there's just like 10 minutes left for the candle to close and 10 minutes left for the opening of London. So if it's just like going to be close above the resistance, that will be perfect thing for the execution with the opening of London session. As I'm just like continuously telling you, if we just like break up of this rejection on the left hand side, it's just gonna break above the previous H4 high, just gonna break above the previous H1, M30, M15 all time frame, just going to be break above broke this area together with the opening of London session. So high probability I'm just gonna grab something there. So we'll see. I would like to wait 10 more minutes to see how this candle just about to be closed. Okay. Okay, I just need to silence my mobile. Okay. Also, M30 looks impulse entry. Let's just look at M30. Yeah, if this candle just going to be closed with a small body, next candle create a wick and break above the high. That also makes sense. So we'll see. There's just like 10 minutes left. Just 10 minutes left for the candle to close. And I will just like, I would like to see this candle, how it's just gonna close here. So by depending on the volume, I will just gonna give my trade a chance. Okay, when comes your podcast, sir? Not yet. The current candle does not have a bottom wick, so it's just like a good sign. If the candle just like do not have a bottom wick and it's just like going to be close above the resistance area, so it's just like another one more confirmation that we're just like having a strong bullish momentum, and there is just like buyers here. So a candle, a bullish candle with a trend, if it just like do not have a bottom wick, it means there is a higher probability if the next candle create a wick break above the high, it will continuously pushing upside. So we'll see. Right now we're just like doing consolidation. There's just like no trends just like going on right now. We're just like doing consolidation, candle blending like side by side. So just like need to wait. Okay, still holding since 37.47. Wow, very nicely done. It should have to be closed like 90%, 80%, 50%. Just secure some position. Okay. Bro, for just to know if we got candle confirmation to sell, do you take high risk or low risk? We'll see what kind of stop loss I'm just going to be get there, Loka. If I'm just gonna get like a bigger stop loss, so just like need to lower the lot size. Just need to stick with the plan. So we'll see. Yes, I'm 30 impulse entry. We'll see full margin. No full margin. Which time frame is best for entry? 30-minute time frame, just like best for entry. And if the 30-minute just like printing more bigger than like a normal size of candle, yeah, like you're just getting like a 40 pip, 50 pip, 30-minute time frame candle. So you just need to look at 50-minute time frame. Then that makes sense. But otherwise, 90% we're just gonna stick with the 30-minute time frame. Okay, just waiting. Look at this H4 all time frames. I'm just like making the combination between all time frames. 74 likes, 25 likes left. Just 25 likes left for the first 25k Dominion funded account. Just 25k likes, 25 likes left actually. Actually, I'm just like speaking during the live stream today. My throat just getting dry, like again and again, I would say. So my tongue is just like rolling on the words. So just like bear it with me. Market I'd say is bullish. Yeah, everything just like bullish right now on a gold actually. Crazy range in GJ. GJ. Let's just look at GJ. GJ is just like doing consolidation. Just like a very simple analysis, I would say. We are having like a resistance here. At the same time, we are having like a support here. Look at the way how it's just like printing side by side. There very high probability which is like break and close above this area. We are having like a clean traffic on the left hand side. Beautiful 50 pip range you're just having here. And at the same time, which is like break and close below this area, we are having like a beautiful 40 pip range as well. So just stay away from this range, wait for the confirmation candle, wait for the breakout structure, because the way just like continuously doing ranging, if you just like give some kind of breakout structure, very high probability it's just gonna give like a very beautiful great move, because the more it will consolidate, there's a higher probability after this kind of consolidation. If you just like got some kind of breakout structure like a confirmation candle, close above the resistance, close below the support, very high probability you're just gonna get something there. So just waiting. Do you use Raja strategy 100%? Yeah, 110% I only use Raja Bro strategy because I just learn everything from him. Yeah. 93 likes. Wow. Raja Bhai, today you take a loss with Raja Bank? No way. Where I just like took a loss. I just like one break even and one I just like grab 30 pips, 25 pips actually. Yeah, no loss. There's just like no loss. Let's say in uptrend there's an impulse entry in trend on 30-minute time frame, but the next M15 close with no wick. So should we hold the trade so or close 50% or exit? So you just like need to understand, like is the 30-minute just like created a beautiful structure, like a strong structure, so you can just hold with that 30-minute. But if it's just like standing at some certain level, some kind of like strong rejection area, and then you just like go some kind of candle which just like do not have a upper wick, so just like need to be cautious about that one as well, because a candle which just do not have a upper wick, it's like not having a range in it. So if there's just like less range, or just it's mean like it's a 50% probability it will go in your favor. So you can secure some position, or you can I would say like secure 50%, secure like 90%, something that should have to be close there. So it will be better. So 100 likes just today the 100 likes just grows in the first 10 minutes of live stream. People just really wanted that 25k fund. So 125k Dominion funded account actually activated. So it's confirmed now. I'm just gonna give away the first 125k Dominion funding count. So if I just like go to 200 likes, so I'm just gonna give like 25k Dominion funding account. One is just like confirmed now. So let's see. There's just like 3 minutes left for the candle to close, and if I just like not gonna get anything with this one within the next 5-10 minutes, so we just go with the first giveaway. People start writing their Instagram. Not yet, you just don't need to write down. When I just like I will just give you 10 minutes, or I will just give you 5 minutes to write down your Instagram ID. Not yet, just don't write. No, don't just write it right now. Okay. So likes are just like continuously pushing to the upside. It's just like right now 113 likes I'm just having. So if I just like hit like 200 likes, so I'm just gonna give like 225k Dominion funded account. 125k Dominion funded account is just like activated. So we'll see. This is the chat just going on the YouTube. Look at this one. People just start writing their Instagram ID here. You just don't need to write it now. When I just like tell you, then just go with your Instagram ID. So I will just like going to be select any random person. Anyone can win that one. So look at this one. Look at the rejection. Let's see on 30-minute time frame. 30-minute H1. If this H1 just like going to be close with a small body, and the next kind of creator we can break above the high, it could be also like a impulse entry, I would say, in a trend. So 1 minute left. 1 minute left for the candle to close. Okay. Are we writing in Discord? Actually, you know what? It will be better if you just like everyone just like going to write down in a YouTube. So I'm just gonna select from one place. So just doing consolidation here. Just consolidation. So H1 just about to be closed. We are entering into H1 just closed with a small body. Look at M30 just like close in a bearish form, but it's just like close above the previous candle high. Look at this one. So no sells for me. There's just like no confirmation for the sells as well. If I just like look at 50-minute time frame, 50 minutes just rejected with the long rejection wick. If the candle broke the low, it could be a beautiful sell, but 50 minutes just like less, like having a lower confirmation than the 30-minute. So it's like a weak confirmation than the 30-minute time frame. So I'm just like not gonna execute as an impulse entry by depending on the 50-minute time frame. In this situation, I'm just like not interested in sells, to be honest. So I'm just not gonna take, if it's just it's just going to be happen on a 30-minute time frame, so might be I'm just gonna give my trade a chance. But as it's like a 50-minute time frame, and gold is just like in a very strong bullish momentum, so I'm just like not gonna take any sells here. Because even if I just like look at 30-minute time frame, 30 minutes just like created a resistance here, but this candle, if you just like would like to continuously pushing to the downside, so this candle should have to be close below the previous candle low, so I can go as a counter trade setup. So 50-minute actually having some kind of confirmation, but I'm just like not comfortable with this one, so I'm just not gonna take any kind of sells here. I would like to see if this can just like start flipping to the upside, break the resistance area, and continuously pushing upside. So we'll see. Nothing for me yet. There's just like nothing for me yet. So 122 likes I just like got here right now. Wow, beautiful. If I just like go 200 likes, so I'm just gonna give away 225k Dominion funded accounts. Any discount code for MFU renewal? Actually, Yeah, if you just like subscribe, if you just like go with the given link, you will just get that link on my Instagram ID. So you can get like 15% off on Dominion markets. Oh, sorry, Dominion actually MFU, Market Fluidity University. You're just gonna get like 15% off on a Market Fluidity University. Yeah. Okay. M15 close with small body. Can its valid impulse as low break? No, I'm just like not interested in this 50-minute time frame. If I just like wanted to take a sell, I would like to see some kind of strong counter trade setup on a 30-minute time frame. Not interested in 50-minute for the sells actually. Look at this one. Even it just like broke the low, it should not break its own high. If it is like gonna break its own high, it could be continuously pushing upside. But the 4R is flipping bearish. Where? It's flipping bullish. Where you are just like looking at like flipping bearish right now. No confirmation. Actually, you know what? It's like very easy to understand. Lower time frames will give you the confirmation what gonna happen on the higher time frame. So lower time frame will give you the confirmation. Just like take that confirmation and then just execute. Okay. If I'm 15 close small bullish, so what about sells impulse? No, no sells for me. I will take a sell, but no place to have a SL, so no trade. Why not? If you just like have a plan to go with a 15-minute time frame, here is the sell execution, here will be the stop loss. Because if it just like broke the low, there is no business of this current candle to come back and break its own high. If it just like come back and break its own high, it will be continuously pushing upside. So you can place your stop loss here. If you're just having a plan to take a sell with the 50-minute, here is the execution. But I'm just like not comfortable with the 50-minute time frame, just so I'm just like not gonna take any sells here. I would like to see a 30-minute time frame to create some kind of structure for the cells. If I just like miss this one, doesn't matter. It's like not a part of my plan, I would say. If I just wanted to go with a 50-minute time frame, you know what I would like to see on the charts. Let me just like print it here. I would like to see a 50-minute time frame should have to be close below the support area, so then I can give my trade a chance here. This is something I would like to see for the cells. And if the 50-minute is going to be close somehow like this, you know what, how it's just gonna look like on a 30-minute time frame. So then it will be look like somehow this candle, the previous candle, it would be look like this one, like the candle just going to be close below the previous candle low. So 50-minute 30-minute both will give me the confirmation to take a sell, so then I can give my trade a chance. So as it is just like breaking the low of the previous 50-minute, it's like not a part of my plan. If I just like miss this trade, doesn't matter, I'm just like not gonna execute on this one. I'm not comfortable with the 50-minute time frame. And especially for the sells, gold is just like very strongly in a bullish form actually. Yeah. How does the giveaway works? So till that we will just like think about how we just gonna choose the winner. I think so it will be great if it's just like doing some kind of random movement to the upside and downside and then click on any ID where it's just gone. Wow. Like here, something like this, and then just gonna click on any random ID and we'll select the winner. Okay. Wow, just like continuously pushing to the downside. So 129 likes. Wow, I think so. We're just gonna hit like 200 likes, and I'm just gonna give like 225k Dominion funded account. And if I just like going to be get like 300 likes, so I just need to give like 325k Dominion funded accounts. For buy waiting for support, yeah. if it's just like if I just like wanted to take a buy, I would like to see this candle to come down, create some support, give me some confirmation candle, so I can again give my trade a chance for the buys. Not gonna take any sells with a 50-minute time frame. Not comfortable. मेरा नाम दिख ही नहीं रहा यूट्यूब चैट में। शारिक शाह, तुम्हारा नाम दिख रहा है, क्यों नहीं दिख रहा? 169 only watching, how you will get 200 likes? Yeah, the people just like tuning up. Like right now we are just having like 174 people just watching right now, so we are just having like 134 likes. People will come, people will go, so we'll see at the end of the stream what maximum likes we just gonna get there. It's like 135 likes right now. Okay, so just waiting for the buys. I'm just gonna stick with my bias. So opening of London have been just open now. Criteria for giveaway, nothing. You just don't need to do anything. You know what, you just, when I just like tell you guys to write down your Instagram ID, then just like write down your Instagram ID, and I'm just like gonna choose any random person there. So you just don't need to go through any process. All you just need to write down your Instagram ID once I called for it. Not yet, just waiting. Just waiting. If current candle close small body in bullish, do you take buy? Small bullish, like you just like you are actually wanted to say like can I just reject with the long rejection, we can going to be close with the small body. We'll see. We'll see how this candle just about to be closed. There's just like 6 minutes left for this 50-minute candle to close, and I'm just like waiting. You guys don't need to write down your Instagram ID yet. You just like need to do when I just like call for it. Just don't write down your Instagram ID now. Don't write it down. When I will say, then just go with it. Sir, why didn't you take a impulse entry? Where did not you take? Yeah, I'm just like not comfortable with the 50-minute time frame. Look at this 30 minute just like closed above the previous candle. I might be just like doing some kind of retracement. Might be just like gonna give some kind of structure on the 30-minute time frame, and on a 50 minute just like having an impulse entry here, but I'm just like not comfortable with the 50-minute time frame. Just not comfortable with a 15-minute time frame. And also my bias are just like bullish right now. If I just like wanted to go for the sells only makes sense if we just like break below this area, this rejection week below this area. Till that above, in this situation I would like to see two scenarios actually. Number one, if we just like break above this high, so I can give my trade a chance for the buys. Number two, if we just like come down, create some kind of support, give me some confirmation candle, so I can give my trade a chance to retest the high for the buys actually. So sells only I'm just gonna take if I just like got some kind of like clean traffic below this area. I'm just having like a clean traffic on the left hand side. Look at this one. So till that, no clean traffic, gold is just like in a very strong in a bullish momentum, so it can take rejection from any rejection on the left hand side and can again start its bullish trend. So that's why we'll see. Okay, I think it's a retracement and create support then go up. Yeah, I'm just also thinking of the same, but we'll see how this 30 minutes just give us some kind of confirmation. Till that, we just need some kind of confirmation candle there. Sorry, I was little late to join. Can you please tell why you marked 50 minutes support and resistance? Because 50 minutes just like doing some kind of consolidation, so that's why. And there's just like 3 minutes left for this 50-minute candle to be closed. So we'll see how this 50 minutes is about to be closed. Might be just rejected. With a long rejection we can close back into the range. So we'll see. Sometimes I don't feel comfortable with a certain trade, so I avoid it, but later I realized that it was a only good setup of the session and I missed it. Doesn't matter if you just like miss the move. You just like need to understand what is like a good thing to take, like a pain to a pain of a missing trade or a pain of a losing trade actually. So if you just like not comfortable with something and still there's just like a very strong like a setup you're just having there, just like lower the losses and be a part of that trade. And if you just like totally not comfortable with any trade, it's okay to not take up trade there actually. Just relax, chill. Market just not going anywhere. It will just like going to be give another chance the same day or another session, or might be to the next day actually. Wow, 144 likes. Beauty. Very nicely done. So I'm just like getting the peak likes right now. 180 people just watching on YouTube, and I just scored like more than 80% likes here. I think so. We're just gonna hit like 200 likes. Anything can be happening in this life. And if I'm just gonna hit like 200 likes, so I'm just gonna give away two Dominion funded 25k accounts. So just waiting. 1 minute left for this 50-minute candle to close. 30 minutes still open. 50 minutes just like broke the low. Look at the rejection, long rejection. What a rejection to the downside. Yeah, look at this one. I like this one. Look at the size of the body. Look at the size of the rejection. So there's just like few seconds left for this 50-minute candle to be closed. It's getting interesting right now. Should I give my trade a chance if this candle just like close back into the range and next candle create a weekend break above the high? So by depending on the volume, can I give my trade a chance for the continuation to the upside? Can I give my trade a chance from the range? Look at the rejection now. Look at the rejection. Just not comfortable with the 50-minute time frame. Wow. This candle, the look at the previous candle. Just rejected with the long rejection wick and close back into the range. Look at the way how it's just like rejecting. I just like not comfortable with the cells, but still it's just like 130 35 pips. But look at the rejection. Wow. The range upside is 30 pips. You know what, if it just like break above this high, I think so with volume it will break above the zone rejection on the left hand side and will continuously pushing upside. So this is something we just like need to understand. It does it make sense to execute buys here within the range, expecting the volume to continuously pushing upside, or is it better to wait for the candle to break and close above this resistance for the continuation to the upside? I think so. The second thing, wait for the candle to break and close above the resistance to continuously pushing upside. It will having like a more stronger probability if you just like going to be execute somewhere here. So yeah, just need to wait. We'll see how this candle just going to be wrecked now. Yes, we'll see. It's better to give 10k account of 50 like. In this way we viewers get more. Hmm. We just do not have 10k accounts. We're just having like a 12.5k account. We're just having like a 25k, 50k, 100k. This is something we're just having with us. Okay. Sir, is Dominion markets and Dominion funding legal in India? It's legal everywhere. I grew my account 6% in 3 4 months, but it felt too slow. Doesn't matter. Come slowly but surely. It's just like will take you towards your success. Got frustrated, broke discipline, ooh, and lost the account. Does it actually usually take traders this long to build discipline? I have trading for 3 years. Wow. So yeah, it will take time. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You know what? Success actually different from person to person. Someone just like can get it within 1 month. Someone can get it in 6 months. Someone can get it in 1 year. So it's like vary from person to person. You know what? My inner devil just like telling me to take a buy here and place your stop loss. Should I just like listen to him? Should I? No, just like need to wait. So you know what? I was just like telling you. So just like stick with the discipline. So once you just like start getting proper grip on your confidence on your risk management, so you will start increasing your lot size. So with the same structure, with the same setup, it's just like going to be work out in the same way. So just like whenever just like come on the chart, make your proper plan. You just like need to understand, if you just like really wanted to grow your account, you just like need to increase the lot size. And if you just like going to increase the lot size, first thing you just like need to understand the loss you just going to be get there, is it like bearable for you? Can you like accept that loss? If you like, if you can like accept that loss, then just like go and increase your lot size. If you just like not comfortable with the stop loss, if you just like not comfortable with the risk you just like taking there, so then just lower the lot size and keep yourself disciplined with that one. So one day you will start increasing your lot size. Don't lose the confidence, don't break the discipline, don't break the consistency. This 6% which you just like make in 3 to 4 months, someday will come when you just like start making it 1 month. Someday will come when you will just like start making in 1 week, and some days will come when you will start making it in 1 to 2 days. So just like keep yourself on a track actually. Hello sir, I'm new in trading. What is most important thing I should know about? You just like need to go through the content, like educational content in the hope of Market Fluidity University. Then you will understand what we just like doing right now on the charts. How much time it takes for you to get profitable? It took my like 8 to 9 months, but at my time there was just like very few people who just like providing actual quality education, and I just found like Raja bro. Then like after 6 to 7 months, and it took me like 9 months to become like profitable, to be honest. So yeah, but now the qualities come out from the quantities, so you will just like not gonna spend like much time like this. It will be enough for you to spend like 2 to 3 months maximum to understand the concept and become profitable trader. That makes sense. So 158 likes, wow. Wow, I think so. I'm just like gonna give like 225k Dominion funded accounts. Wow. Sir, but on YouTube there is no information on Dominion market and Dominion funding from other traders reviewing it. What what you are actually asking? I'm telling you today, like just go with the Dominion funding or Dominion markets. That's it. High break of current M15 buy makes sense because it went down and breaking its own high, and previous is also long rejection and candles. But look at this current candle. Is this candle break above the high of the previous candle? So just like need to wait for this candle to be closed. 10 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close and the 50-minute candle to close. Are you price action trader, sir? Yes, I'm just totally depends on price action. Yeah, definitely. 161 wow. There is 180 people just watching, and I just scored like 161 likes. Wow. They are totally focused on my stream right now. Okay. 9 months to become profitable. Before that, were you break even or at a loss? It's just like at the beginning, I just lose like 12,500, something like that. Then I just found Raja Bro. Then I just start go through the process, and it take me like 3 months to become profitable because I just like already knew the basic concepts. And then Raja Bro will just start providing me the proper education, and here is the results now. Today I'm just like doing live stream for you guys. Things take times, but as I just like already said that come slowly but surely. How do you adjust your chart to the left? Look at the shadow, move it to the right side. Chart will be moved towards right side. Move it to the left side, it will move towards left side. So just I feel my progress would be much faster if I could watch someone trade live, seeing how they manage risks, take entries, and explain their decisions. That would make me more disciplined and speed up my learning. Exactly, that's why we're just having like a live stream on a daily basis. Live stream is just like very important because it's like connected with the real market, so you can understand the concept, the content we just like providing, the education we just like providing in Market Fluidity University, how it's just like gonna implement on the real charts. So yeah, attending live streams is like very important. Look at this one. According to you, which point we declared ourselves as profitable? Because I am make profit daily and last 2 months I grow 30%, but I am not satisfied with this. Just like need to withdraw something from your profit and pay your any bill, so you will just like feel that profits. Just pay your bills. So once you start paying your bill, even just like one bill or two bill, so we'll understand now you just like become a profitable trader. I started 6 months ago with MFU from zero knowledge, did not know about support and resistance or price action. I am at a break even stage. Each person is different based on how much time you invest in learning. Exactly. I am working full time and spend maximum 2 hours per day for learning. That's just like a perfect thing you are just doing, Alina. Really nicely done. It seems price want to push up. Yeah, look at the second rejection now. But I would like to see this candle to be close. Wow, it's just like breaking above the high. Should I just like give my trade a chance here, or should I wait for the candle to be closed? Let's do it. I think so. It would be great to wait for the candle to close. This trade totally connected with my devil. He just like telling me, "Hey guy, hey Kaiser, just like take a buy. You just gonna miss the trade. Just take a buy." It would be great if I just like wait for the candle to close above the resistance area, but yeah, it is whatever. Sometimes I just like do these things. We'll see. We'll see if it's just like continuously pushing to the upside. Now there's no business of this candle to come back and break its opening price. If it's just like come back and break its opening price, I'm just like gonna close the position. It could be a trade which I just like took in the range actually. So I just like need to depend on the volume, and I want volume to continuously pushing upside to fill this range on the left hand side. Wow. You know what? There's just like few minutes left for the candle to close, and I want it to continuously pushing upside. Come on. Yeah, I think so. It will be great. Come on. Give me some push. Nah, I'm just not comfortable with this one. Would like to wait for the candle to close. There is just like 4 minutes left, 3 minutes left actually. just like 3 minutes left. It's not a good idea. I just like close at a break even, because you know what I just would like to see. I just would like to see some kind of spike or some kind of a strong volume to continuously pushing to the upside in a smooth way. But why just like standing here? So just like close at a break even, just break even. We'll see. We'll see. I will see how this candle just about to be closed. So there's just like 2 to 3 minutes left for the candle to close, and we'll see. Learning is much stronger with real account than yeah, exactly. Okay. Wow. Now just like pushing upside down, just like close this one. Is it just going to be move in the last few minutes? Is it the same thing going to be happen with me? What just happened before? Like I just missed the move in the last 1 to 2 minutes. And there I just don't wanted to see this chart. Oh man. The inner devil was right actually to hold on with this execution. Wow. Look at this one. But it will be great if this 30 minutes is going to be close above the resistance area, so I can give my trade a chance. We'll see. Wow, look at this one, just move 13 pips in our favor. So just waiting, 2 minutes left for this candle to close. If this current candle just going to be close above the resistance area and the next candle create a weekend break above these rejection on the left hand side, I'm just gonna give my trade a chance by depending on the London volume. That actually makes sense. See this one, the previous 50-minute candle, wow, just like rejected. The next candle also rejected and break above the high of the previous 50-minute time frame. But as it is just like in a range, that's why I just like close my trade, because I would like to depend on the volume to continuously pushing to the upside. If the same thing just happening somewhere here on the resistance area, so then I will just like definitely going to hold on with my trade. What are you looking for again to buy? Just waiting for this candle to be close above the resistance so I can give my trade a chance by depending on the volume. We'll see that. कैश भाई आज कॉन्फिडेंस वीक लग रहा है. कॉन्फिडेंस मेरा कभी भी वीक नहीं होता है हुनैन साहब, वो आपने टेंशन नहीं लेनी. What would have been the logic of trade for inner day? Actually, this is something I just wanted to take a buy, and this candle just rejected with a long rejection wick. Next candle again rejected and break above the high of the previous candle, which just do not have a upper wick. But due to lack of volume I just saw there, so that's why I just like close my position, because it's just like within the range. It's just like range just happening here. The range is just going on. Market just doing consolidation, so no trend just going on. It would be great if it just like break above this high, this rejection on the left hand side, so I can give my trade a chance. Again, look at this one. I just like never depending on the 50-minute time frame. See this one, how the 50-minute just like close back into the range. We just like back into the consolidation area. Still look at this one. H1 just like breaking the low of the previous candle, now just breaking its own high. M30 just like created a support here. Sometimes we can execute within the range by depending on the structure actually. Sometimes I do that by depending on the structure. So look at 30-minute again, created a resistance, created a support with a long rejection wick. Volume actually, volume in this situation just need to depend on the volume. Trend is just still like feeling, I just like feeling we're still having a bullish trend right now, so we'll see. So 169 likes, 170 likes, wow. Means if there's just like, if I just like going to be get, look at this one. Right now 169 people just watching, and I am having like 170 likes. Like one like is above than the watching people. Anything can be happen in this world, I just like told you. So wow, 171, wow, 173. Ooh, 25 likes left for the second 25k dominant funded accounts. We'll see. Yeah, you know what, I don't know why, but I'm just like getting the feeling it will continuously pushing upside. My institutional mind just like telling me why not to like execute with a small lot size. Yeah, I would like to see it to continuously pushing upside by depending on the volume. By depending on the volume, I would like to see this to continuously pushing upside. I think it will break above these rejections as well and will hit the $5 increment. I just took a buy from the range, but I don't know. We'll see. That's why just like lower the load size because I just wanted to hold on with this trade. ब्रो पिछली ट्रेड क्लोज नहीं करनी थी यार इट इज़ वट एवर इट इज़ आई जस्ट लाइक वेटिंग फॉर द कैंडल if this candle just like close before, so then I will just hold on with the trade. Now I just like holding by depending on the volume, by depending on the structure. I'm expecting might be with the volume it will continuously pushing upside. We'll see. Doesn't matter, we just like I'm just like giving my trade a second chance within the range. But right now what I can see, sometime it happens we are just stay sitting with a strong bullish momentum. You know why I just like executed here? The 30 minute just close in a bullish form, and H1 candle, if you just like look at H1 just like break the low of the previous candle, and then it just like break above its own high. So there's a very high probability in this condition it could continuously pushing to the upside. Now there's no business of this candle to break its opening price. If it's just like going to break its opening price, I'm just like gonna close this trade, or I'm just like gonna hit with my SL. So that's why just like lower the load size. Why I just like lower the load size? Because this is something I just like need to depend on the volume only. Does this make sense? Right now I'm just like totally depending on the volume, that it will break above these rejection or these consolidation area and will continuously pushing upside. So that's why just like lower the load size, because it's a risky thing. I'm attempting something risky. There's just like no clean traffic on the left hand side, rejection on the left hand side. So depending on the volume I just executed. So it makes sense to me actually. How you will manage trade? I just like do manage this trade by loading the load size. That's all I can do. We'll see. Wow, 185 likes now. Look at this one. Who just like was telling me that there's just like 170 people just watching, and I just go like 186 likes. I'm just like getting more likes than the watching people. So anything can be happen in this industry. So let's see. Let's see. Depending on the volume, I would like to see this candle should be continuously pushing upside. 30-minute confirmation, 50-minute somehow look like this. Interesting. Okay, 198 likes, two more likes, and there is just like 225k 2 minute funding count. Look at this one. Wow, amazing, amazing. Let me show you guys. Look at this one. Look at the stats. Right now, current viewers are like 170, and I'm just having like a 200 likes. So second account is activated now. The second account is just like activated now. So there's just like two Dominion funding 25k accounts gonna give away. Sometime like institutional, depending on the volume, should continuously pushing upside. just waiting. Just waiting. I'm just waiting. What's the procedure? Just like wait for the end of the stream. We will just do that giveaway at the end of the stream. Just keep pushing to the upside. Come on, volume. Where are you? Just broke this whole rejection on the left hand side and keep pushing to the upside. This is something I'm expecting from you. Volume, where are you? Hey, volume. Hey, volume. Okay, come on, volume. Spike coming? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, should have to be break above this high at least. So continuously pushing upside. Damn. Continuously struggling with the rejections on the left hand side. Come on, just broke above the rejection and continuously pushing upside. You can do this. You know you have it in you. H1 struggling with the rejection on the left hand side. If you just like wanted to continuously pushing upside, this current candle should have to be break above this previous candle high. So yeah, look at the rejection again. Volume. I can't see volume there. It should not be take this much time. So 200 likes is done. Yeah, two account just like unlocked now. If I just like go 300 likes, there could be like a 3 accounts. So we'll see. Wow, just like flipping right now. Look at this one. Not good, not good. It's just like not good. But it's okay. I just like already load the load size. I just like gonna risk my today profit. But see, if I just like execute within the range, what could be happen with me? Still it's valid as it's just like respecting the previous candle body. If it's just like break the previous candle body, so it will become invalid. We are just doing consolidation. Trade within the range will give you the loss. Just understand this thing. Look at the rejection. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Retracing, retracing, retracing. Just like retracing. Better manage the risk. I already manage the risk. Just load the load size. You know what? Even just like, when it just like come back to this body, I will add one more position into it. Like, don't follow me. Yeah, we'll see. Look at this one. Wow, just coming down. Wow, pushing to the downside. Let's do it. One more position. That's it. With the same stop loss. If you just like going to hit the stop loss, then I will just like going to close the stream. We'll give you guys 2 accounts and we will just all go happy to our homes. No, I'm just not gonna close this one. It's just like I'm just like depending on the structure right now. As long as this candle just going to be hold on the previous candle body size, so it will be valid for me. If you just like going to hit my SL, I already managed the risk by loading the load size and executed the second position. Stop loss will remain in the same. Yeah, I just add one more position. Okay, look at this one. Wow, we're just going to be, I just don't want. Okay, I'm out now. Damn. See this one? If you just try to force yourself to execute within the range, you're just going to be get the loss. Wow, Look at this one. Very such a bad trade. Totally depending on the volume. Yeah, look at this one. Like rejected from the rejection, and yeah, it is whatever it is. Stopped out. Yeah, exactly. I just like stopped out. Now it's just like broke the low of the previous candle body. It could be continuously pushing to a downside to fill this wick. Broke your rules? Yes, I broke my rules, and I just get paid for that one. So whoever will do follow the same thing, they will just going to be get the same result. My all streams, the previous streams were just like winning streaks. Today, I just like avoid clean traffic on the left hand side, tradable range, confirmation candle, breakout structure. I just avoid all things and execute within the range. And I just like get paid by that one. Yeah, this is something happened. Something will happen always with you if you just like going to break the rules, or if you just like try to force yourself, even if you just like try to predict the market. So definitely you just like gonna lose something there. So giveaway time. Giveaway time. So here we go. Now just start write down your Instagram ID. I'm just gonna choose two lucky winner, and I'm just gonna give that to 25K Dominion funded account, and we'll see who's just gonna win that one. Just write down your Instagram ID once. If you just like write it down twice, you will be just like disqualified. So right now I'm just like gonna get only your Instagram ID, and your time starts now. It will be ended within 3 minutes. As this 15-minute candle is going to be closed, you guys should have to be stopped there. Then no messages should be there. Just write down your Instagram ID only once. If you just like going to be write it down twice, you will be disqualified. Wow, someone just secured 25 pips. Zoom, 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 guys. Market Fruit University. Just write down your name there. Just write down your Instagram ID there, bro. Wow. And look at this one. You just like start rejecting again. Okay. Do the MFU students write it here? No, then it will be complicated to choose any lucky winner. So it will be better if you just like going to write down in one place. Just like go to the YouTube channel and then just write it down there. So 50 minutes just going to be close. So within next 2 minutes, this participations. Let me just do something. All right. So within the next 1 minute, actually, you just like guys need to stop, and then I'm just gonna choose two lucky winner. Thank you, sir, for tonight. I will take your leave. All right. Take care. Okay. So last minute just going on. Just in 50 seconds, you guys just need to stop. Just in 50 seconds. Just write down your Instagram ID once. If you just like going to be write it down twice, you will be disqualified. Look at this Sharik Shah, aka SRG. Again, you just like write it down above. You are disqualified. Just write it down once. Alright, so time is just up now. You guys just stop now. Everyone just stop now. Everyone just stop now, please. Just stop now and let me choose two lucky winners. They are not, they are just like not stopping. Just stop now. Alright, so I'm just gonna choose like, let me just do this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose two lucky winners from this. So let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Okay, this one, Mr. Zayat Noor. Zayat Noor, let me take the screenshot of your. You won a 1 2 million funded account. Just like leave me text on my Instagram and you will just claim your award. So one lucky winner, congratulations Zayat Noor. You just like won one account. I hope so. You just like never executed with twice Instagram participations. Alright, so the second one, second one. Kasser by I think name is done now. Okay, so the second one account just like going to be give the second one account. Let me just do it the bigger one like in this screen. Second account, second account, second account. Okay, who is this one? Ahmed H. Lars. Ahmed H. Lars. What is this? Ahmed H. Lars. Your Instagram ID is falcoman.trader. Okay, let me take a screenshot of yours. Congratulations, you won a account of 25k Dominion funded. So congratulations both players. You guys just won like two Dominion funded accounts. You just like need to text me on my Instagram and I just have a screenshot of your IDs. You just need to send me text message with the same ID which you just like mention here. You just like need to send me text with the same ID what you just like mention here. So yeah, I'm just like will tell you how you can process to claim your 25k Dominion funded account. Okay, Falcon Man. Oh, it's from Falcon Man. Just born from Market Fluid University. That's just like great. Congratulations, Falcon. Congratulations. Look at this one. Someone just like won account from Market Fluid University. Falcon. And another one. Who was the another one person? Another person. We are having Falcon here, and the first person was it's Zayed Noor actually. The first person was Zayed Noor, and the second one is just like Falcon. Falcon, we just scored Falcon in Margaret University. Congratulations, Falcon. And Zayed Noor, you just and Falcon, you both just need to send me text on my Instagram, and you just like gonna get the free Dominion funding $25,000 account. First time winning, and so congratulations if you just like won something first time. So right now we just like doing consolidation. I just like giving my trade a chance here by depending on the volume. First trade executed should have to be closed because I just like not comfortable with the volume. Then it's just like showing me some kind of great volume. Also 30 minutes just close in a bullish form. Expecting with the volume, it will continuously pushing upside, but it just like never happen because the consolidation happening on the lower time frame. So as I just said, look at this one. H4 just like clearly in a bullish form, H1 clearly in a bullish form, M30 you can see it's just like doing consolidation, M15 doing consolidation. So lower time frame just give you the confirmation what could be happen on the higher time frames. Make sense? So yeah, so always look at the confirmation on the lower time frame, and then depending on the higher time frame with the combination of the lower time frame, there's a probability you're just gonna want something there. Let me see what I have just lose today. I just lose like $15 today. Won one trade, lose second trade. So we'll see if I can give my trade one more chance here. And this the next chance, one when I just like gonna take my second chance, I'm just not gonna execute within this range now. I just learned my lesson. I would like to give my trade a chance. If the candle just break above these rejections, or the candle just going to be close above the resistance, the next candle create a wick break above the high, so I could execute by depending on the volume that it could be continuously pushing upside in my favor. So we'll see that. So yeah, thank you so much for having me. I think so it will be very educational live stream. I just like lose one trade there, and told you guys, if you just like try to force yourself for the execution within the range, there's a probability you're just gonna lose something there. If you just like wait for the proper structure, then you're just going to have like a higher probability you're just gonna win something there. So yeah, it's a very educational stream. We'll see you guys might be tomorrow, or if Jajabo will just get busy, then I will just do the stream tomorrow, or I will see you guys on Thursday. Till that, be safe, be careful. Again, if you just like got some kind of confirmation candle above this area, you can give your trade a chance for the buys, or if you just like got some confirmation candle below the support area, so you can give your trade a chance for the sells. We are doing consolidation right now. There's just like nothing on the chart. This London session just like didn't bring anything on the table. So we'll see you guys soon. Till that, be safe, be careful, and the winners who are the winners, just kindly text me on my Instagram, so I will let you know how you can claim your reward. So thank you so much for having me. See you guys soon. Take care and bye bye.